Dear students,
Few more days to go and then you have your big day.
UPSC CSC Prelims 2024. Aspirants, make sure that you don't read anything new now. Revise as much as possible. Pick every subject, go through your study book, notes and mock tests. Now, through your mock test, you must have identified your weak areas, right? Focus on those areas, revise again and again. For example, in polity, there are chances that you may get confused between features of regulating, charter and Government of India Acts. Or say for example, important articles like Article 325. Do revise such confusing part from every subject and arm yourself for the big day. Make sure you don't be lazy to revise. Also, don't forget seasons. Revise the formulas. Regularly analyze your performance and adjust your strategy accordingly. Please also focus on your health. Find time to jog, meditate so that you become mentally strong to manage stress. Keep working hard and stay positive. All the best. For more such interesting updates, do not forget to subscribe and like our YouTube channel.